It's sunny. It's sunny in Van.
Looking for something different to do this weekend, something that feeds the heart and the soul? Come celebrate Selxwí Chel Arts and Culture Day on Sunday, June 8th from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. at the Trethewey House Heritage Site located at 2313 Ware Street in Abbotsford. This vibrant celebration, formerly known as Aboriginal Arts and Culture Day, shines a spotlight on local Indigenous creativity, storytelling, and community. You'll have the chance to connect with Indigenous artists, explore both traditional and contemporary art forms, and get creative with interactive crafts and hands on workshops. Plus, enjoy live performances, cultural demonstrations, and storytelling that brings generations of traditional life. It's more than just a day out, it's a meaningful, family friendly experience that supports Indigenous voices and invites everyone to celebrate culture, community, and connection. Don't miss this one of a kind Fraser Valley celebration.
Welcome to sunny in Van, where the sun always shines. Join us on this journey to find your dream home in Van.